In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook group. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of more educational guides and contents like this. At first, you need to be logged into your Facebook account, right? This is our Facebook account. Now, what you need to do from this displayed tab options, click on this group, right? Click on this group. Once you have clicked on the group, click on the create new group. Then you'll be given an option to add a group name. So this is basically a test video. So I'm going to name this group Emily Education. Emily Education. So choose privacy. If this group is public, anyone can see who is in this group and what they post. Private, only group members can see who is in the group and what they post. So I won't like this group to be private for any reasons. I would put it in public, right? I would click public. Then I don't have any friends at the moment, so no need inviting friends on board. So what I need to do, I'll click on this create. So I just created this Facebook group. So you can come on here and edit this group informations, right? Choose from my photo, choose from group photos, upload picture. So you can come on here and edit your group. You can add a cover picture, a cover photo. You can add a profile picture to this group. You can add admins and assistants. You can give badges in this group. You can approve posts. You can decline potential spams. You can schedule posts. You can see activity log. You can give this group some rules they should abide by, right? You should give them rules they would abide by. Then you'd come on here, members, moderation alerts, group status. So you can come on here and do some basic settings and adjustments in this your group. So this is how you can create a Facebook group. It's pretty easy. So this is how you can basically create a Facebook group. You can use for your business, for your marketing, for your product sales, and lots of other things you have in mind. If you enjoyed this video, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.